Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with SoFi app for card and credit management step by step clearly. Open the SoFi app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, tap on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email. Create a password that is both secure and memorable. After completing the sign-up form, tap on Create Account. You will receive a verification email to confirm your account. Check your inbox and click on the verification link provided in the email. Return to the SoFi app once your account is verified. Log in using your email and the password you just created. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards section within the app. Here, you will find options for card management and credit options. Tap on the Get Started button to proceed with setting up your card. Enter any additional personal or financial information as prompted. Review the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing. After agreeing, you will set up your preferences for card management. Choose your card type based on your financial needs. If you want a credit card, select the credit card option. Provide your income and employment details if required. Submit your application for the card. You will see a confirmation message once your application is submitted. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application status. After approval, you can access your new card details in the app. Familiarize yourself with the card management features available. Explore tools for tracking your spending and setting up alerts. Utilize the budgeting tools to manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.